CapCut template option not showing on your TikTok. In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to fix this problem in less than 50 seconds. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager like this, and after you open the apps manager, on this page you will find every app that you have on your phone. So all what you wanna do is just wait a few seconds and then scroll until you find TikTok. Click on it and click on this force stop option and go into the storage. Click on clear data, clear cache, go back, click on the power usage details, and then disable the power consumption alert. And last thing you want to do is go to the Play Store and search for TikTok and then update it, and you can do the same thing on iPhone iOS. Don't forget to like, subscribe.